Hello, and welcome to VirtualHub Setup. In this video we will install Kubuntu 22.04. So, let's start. First, insert the installation media pen drive which you created in the last video in your system. Then reboot your computer. As the computer boots, press the function key which opens the system-specific boot menu. F12 is the most common key for bringing up your system's boot menu, but Escape, F2 and F10 are common alternatives. If you're unsure, look for a brief message when your system starts. This will often inform you of which key to press to bring up the boot menu. If no such message is shown, check your device's documentation. After the system boots from the pen drive, select Try or Install Kubuntu from the list that is shown. Wait for some time as the system boots. You will see the following screen after the system boots properly. Click on Install Kubuntu and then set your keyboard layout. Click on Continue. Click on Connect to this network and then connect to your Wi-Fi. If you have a wired connection, you can escape this step. Click on Continue. Select Install third-party software and configure Secure Boot. Enter a password for configuring Secure Boot and write it down somewhere. Click on Continue. Now comes the disk configuration step. The default should be to dual boot with Windows. It will resize your Windows partition, C drive, to make room for Ubuntu. It should be the best option for you. But if you want to do something else, you are free to do so. Click on Install Now. It will ask you for confirmation. Make sure everything is correct and then click on Continue. Select your time zone by clicking on the map. Then click on Continue. Enter your name, username, and password. You can also change your computer's name to anything you like. Your computer will be visible on your local network using that name. Click on Continue. The installation will start. The installation will take a long time depending on the read and write speed of your pen drive and hard disk. So, sit back and relax. After your installation is over, click on Restart. Remove your installation pen drive when asked to do so. Your system should reboot into a blue-colored screen called Perform MOK Management or something similar. If Windows starts instead of all this, reboot again, and press the boot menu key you pressed last time and choose Ubuntu from the list. Choose Enroll MOK key, then Continue, then Yes. Enter the secure boot configuration password you set up earlier, then press Enter. Note that as you enter the password, nothing will happen on screen, but your password is being entered. Choose Rebooted last. After reboot, Kubuntu should start. If Windows starts, then reboot and press the boot menu key you pressed last time and choose Ubuntu from the list. To remove this inconvenience, you need to change your boot order. Refer to your device documentation to see how to do so. After Kubuntu boots, log in using your password. See the next video to see what to do after installing Kubuntu. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to VirtualHub Setup.